here we go. Let's enjoy part 2. Cheers. Round us, number 5.
To sit with my dad in the garage, the sawdust, that pine sol in the moss. Around every spring, when the winter thaw, we'd huddle around the radio, twist the broken knob. 7:10 a.m.
Just out here helping out a Prado with the trailer on the back. Got himself a bit of mischief. Too easy. So the tour rig made it. Big lagoon. We made it. Huge moment here for the Carrie, the Zook around Oz. She's made it to Big Lagoon Campground. Let the tyres down quite a lot. Vicky and Brendan are here. We're camping here for the night. This is our spot. So pleased she made it. Again, I've got the panel cranking, flag going. What an absolute weapon. The lady said, no, you won't get through, not in that, not in all-wheel drive, don't do it. And Carrie made it look easy. Ew. So again, we went off in one car, the more capable car, and went further up the national park. Oh yeah? Feature. Nice. Like and subscribe. The most northern point of the Shark Bay Peninsula. Ooh-wee. The tube does not want to see that ass. They want to see this one.
Daily house, this voice would echo throughout the yard. Couldn't have been older than 10, but to me and my friends, the voice on the other end might as well have been God's. 1995, the division series. Eggers at to bat, bottom of the 11th inning. Got the whole town listening. Swung on and belted, the words distorted. Joy Core rounds third. Here comes Griffey, the throw to the place, not in time. My oh my, the Mariners win it. Yes, fireworks, they lit up that ceiling in the Kingdom. We had just made history.
Swung on the line down the left field line for a base hit. Here comes Joy. Here is Junior to third base. They're going to wave him in. The throw to the plate will be late. The Mariners are going to play for the American League Championship. I don't believe it. It just continues. My, oh my.
Lace and woven, barely holding that stitch. Creases of time amongst the grind.
Cool as this. He's fast asleep. So it's been about 2 hours now and he's still chilling, just having a snooze on my flag. What a mad dog. I'm gonna take him around Australia with me, what do you reckon? Right there, Budgie? Having a good old nap. He shat all over my car, so pulled the flag off.
In the grit, where the leather used to pound his fist. To some it's just a myth, but see that glow is him. Yeah, tell me stories on the field with that sun-stained brim. Blood under my chin, he taught me how to spit sunflower seeds.
Alrighty, well that wraps up our stay at Shark Bay. Thank you for watching part 2. Hope you enjoyed the scenes as much as I did. We both went our separate ways to different directions, and yeah, stay tuned for Vlog Around Oz, Volume 5, Carnarvon, Coral Bay and Exmouth. Anyway, as always, like and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed.